Zesty, fluffy, and coated with a very delicious lemon glaze. This lemon cake recipe will be your new favorite because it's just so good once you bite into the cake. I love the bursting lemon flavor in my cake, and also the lemon glaze has added in tartness to each single bite. Be sure to check out the ingredients listed in the description box for the full recipe. Also, you are going to need a few kitchen utensils like a whisk, a spatula which is going to help you mix all the ingredients, a lemon squeezer for squeezing lemon juice. I have a handheld grater. If you don't have a handheld grater, you can use a box grater to grate out your lemon zest. Yeah, I think that is all. Although I'm going to be using an electric whisk to whisk in my eggs and sugar until soft and fluffy. Love simple gadgets that help you make your work very easy. So in your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in 3 eggs, At this point, you're going to be preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line a loaf pan with parchment paper and also spray the tin so that they can be very easy for you to invert your cake. Using my electric whisk, I'm going to whisk the eggs for around 1 to 2 minutes until light and fluffy. Add in your oil and vanilla essence. After mixing in the cooking oil and vanilla essence, I'm going to be adding in some lemon zest. So I'm going to grate 2 lemons using my hand grater over here. Grate the green part of your lemon, not the white part, because when you add the white part, your cake is going to turn out bitter. So I have a teaspoon of lemon zest. Next, I'm going to be adding in lemon juice. So I'm going to slice my lemons. And using my lemon squeezer, I'm going to squeeze in a tablespoon of lemon juice. And once done, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of lemon juice into my bowl. And using a whisk, I'm going to carefully fold in the lemon juice, lemon zest into the eggs. Add in baking powder, salt, fold into the batter. Gradually add in my all-purpose flour while mixing using my spatula without over mixing. Add in milk, my flour. I'm carefully folding in the flour and milk into the batter because I don't want to knock out all the air that I made while whipping up my eggs. So once everything is fully combined, don't overmix. You need that cake to be very fluffy. Be sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl. Make sure all the dry ingredients are fully combined. Then I'm going to be transferring my batter into my prepped up tin. I'm going to be using my spatula, which is going to help me scrape my bowl to transfer the batter into the tin. And once done, I'm going to tap the tin on my countertop for 2 times. This is to release any excess air pockets in the batter. I'm going to be baking my cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. And to check if the cake is ready, I'm going to insert a skewer. Once a skewer comes out clean, the cake is going to be ready. So let's get baking. This has been the best 50 minutes ever because the kitchen has been smelling so good from the cake baking, and it's ready. So I'm going to remove my cake from the oven, carefully place it on the cooling rack, and wow, just look how the cake has turned out. It looks absolutely gorgeous, so gorgeous. Wait for around 10 minutes before inverting your cake on your cooling rack so that the cake can cool completely. Meanwhile, I'm going to be making a very simple glaze for my cake, and it's going to be just so zesty and delicious. After 10 minutes, I'm going to tap the tin on my countertop for around 2 times. Then I'm going to peel the parchment paper carefully, just like this, and transfer to a cooling rack. The cake has turned out so good. So I'm going to wait for around 30 minutes to 1 hour so that the cake can cool completely. To make our simple glaze for our cake, I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of icing sugar or powdered sugar. And to add in a very nice zesty flavor, I'm going to be squeezing in lemon juice into my icing sugar. So I'm going to squeeze 1 whole lemon, stir in, add in a tablespoon of water, and once done, I'm going to spread my glaze on my cake. Once you're done glazing your cake, you're going to keep it in the fridge for around 5 minutes so that the glaze can set. The cake recipe is very easy and simple with very basic ingredients, as you've seen, and the outcome is just amazing. And once you cut into the cake, the flavor is zesty because we added in some lemon juice and lemon zest. The texture is very good and perfect, and the cake is soft and fluffy. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be giving this lemon cake a try and it will turn out so good.